My name is Robert Elliott, and I'm the Dean of Manufacturing and Maintenance at Trident Technical College, but I'm also an alumnus. My journey at Trident Technical College started when I attended to learn more about automation and controls to enhance my career as a mariner. My instructors were more like counselors. The three instructors that had the most impact on me were Sam Spira, Phil Turner, and Chuck Ackman. They would counsel me on different career paths that I could take and later convince me to teach, and that is why I'm here today. Enough about me. I would like to talk about our students within the Manufacturing and Maintenance Division. Students in Manufacturing and Maintenance are highly driven to reach their goals. Many of them are working, going to school, and raising families. Even when students receive financial aid, they still have equipment needs, like the equipment to pursue many of the programs in our division, such as automotive toolboxes, air conditioning and refrigeration hand tools and pressure gauges, as well as machine tools, machinist files and tools. Supporting TTC on Giving Day will help us provide students with everything they need to reach their goals. You can help by making a donation to support manufacturing and maintenance students at Trident Technical College. Thank you.